Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Journal app and tapping the plus icon to create your first entry. Choose a template or blank note, set the correct date, and add tags so you can find this later. Once done, make sure iCloud Sync is enabled in settings so your work is backed up automatically. You're not configuring the device, you're starting the content. Add a title, then jump into writing or recording. Use the iPad keyboard or Apple Pencil to capture ideas immediately. Now focus on building the entry. Type or tap the microphone to dictate, or use your Apple Pencil for handwriting and sketches. Drag photos or PDFs into the note and record short audio clips to capture context quickly. You'll want to structure content with headings, bulleted lists, and checkboxes to make scanning easier later. Use drag and drop to rearrange blocks, and insert timestamps or location tags when relevant so each entry is rich and searchable for future review. Finish by reviewing your entry, proofread, adjust formatting, and add final tags and a meaningful title. Export as PDF or share a selection when you need offline copies. Once done, use the app's search, filters, and collections to confirm your entry is discoverable. If you can't find it or iCloud Sync hasn't updated, toggle iCloud off and on, force quit the app, and reopen. That typically resolves sync conflicts. If problems persist, check free iCloud storage and retry synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.